Toby. Sit.
Hi, my name is Iman. I like this book so much.
And it's just really hard to put down once you start reading. And I pretty much like all parts of it.
Hi.
Toby.
Ready?
You like that? Okay. Go ahead.
If you don't own this copy right now, setting.
Get your copy now.
Okay.
Get your copy now. I don't know.
Get away from me.
Get your copy now.